strikes. Oh, extraordinary. Four goals at this World Cup now for Lionel Messi. 10 goals in his last 8. And
a moment of history. Messi. Oh, absolutely astounding. Brad Guzan beaten for a second time, and with that goal, Lionel Messi.
Outstanding as one. It is Messi! Oh, what a goal! Lionel Messi does it again for Argentina. Se va a adelantar Messi. Allí va. Messi.
Nicely for Messi. Messi on his left. Messi into the area. Messi for the opener. It's Messi! And well, it had to be him. It's been a brave, disciplined performance from Nicaragua. But the Argentina captain, Lionel Messi, finds the breakthrough in his 66th.
Messi. Higuain. Messi kept going. It's Lionel Messi! He scored!
Age when it gets into the final third for both teams.
But is it going to come late on from Messi? Messi has a path through and shoots! Yes! It's taking matters into his own hands in spectacular fashion. Lionel Messi at last, at long last, seems to have won a game against Brazil.
Messi, past one, Lionel Messi! Stadium to see.
Ahí va Messi.
Bounced. Lavezzi. Messi. Give it to him and pray. Oh, he's done it! It had to be Messi. He's broken Iranian hearts. When in doubt, give it to the magician. Little Leo Messi, who wants to be...
Scooped forward by Banega. Messi collects. Messi scores!
Mesmerising. Worth the price of entrance alone, as he so often is. Lionel Messi.
Callister. Messi! To be. He lightens up yet another game. The genius at work once more. Higuain. Messi! 2-0. Emphatic from Lionel Messi. Beautifully worked. And finished off by the Argentina captain.
Over the last line of defense. There is no offside here. The chip is a gorgeous one, and Messi will not be denied this time. An incredible touch to loop over.
Lovely ball by Aguero. Oh, they've done it. And who else? 89th minute, and Lionel Messi to the rescue for Argentina.
Gago, la pelota viene para Messi, ahí está, el capitán viene. ¡Gol! Argentina!
They're taking it quickly, and Messi's on the charge! Oh, what a fabulous goal! Well, you only need 10 men when one of them
is as talented as Lionel Messi. Fabulous from Argentina.
Never take your eyes off the screen when he's got the ball at his feet. Absolutely magical. What he could
To give you the opportunity when they've got an extra man.
Here goes Messi. They're backing off and backing off! It's a wonder goal by Lionel Messi! A hat-trick for Lionel Messi! And the best player in the world!
No whistle. And Argentina will continue. It's Leo Messi! Oh! That's why he's the best player in the world. And that's what the fans came to see tonight. And it's happened inside the opening 2 minutes. And it is classic Messi. Incredible. He only needs half a chance.
Reason why Atletico de Madrid paid such a hefty price for him as Messi gets a shooting range. Messi! He will not be denied! Lionel Messi!
Lionel Messi. Messi's here! That's what they came for! The Magic Man! Martinez, Lionel Messi, Fernandez, Martinez, Messi! Is he given offside? The referee's given the goal! The referee's given the goal!